Oh Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. Someone's gotta do it. We got a year-round sunset view that nobody can beat. We got flip-flop tan lines tattooed on the tops of our feet. But not everyone can live this life. There's only so much room here in paradise. Oh Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. We got limes on the tops of our beers that we give a little squeezy.
Chris, yo, what's on the menu today, brother?
Blackfin tuna.
Blackfin tuna, baby.
That's right.
I tell you all, it ain't easy being Keezy. Oh, it amazes me how us locals ever survive. I mean, have you seen the way that 20 million tourists drive down US 1 with their camera out the car, trying to snap the perfect picture of our clear blue water? Oh Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. We got limes on the tops of our beers that we give a little squeezy. We just go and fish in the bay when the ocean's too breezy. Oh good Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. We're all just living on a rock out in the middle of the ocean, far from the mainland and all that commotion. We smell like Eli rum and suntan lotion. 1, 2, 3, good Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. Just take that lime off the top of your beer, gon' give it a little squeezy. Come on, let's go and fish in the bay. Man, that ocean's too breezy. I tell you all, it ain't easy being Keezy. Woo. Some of us are holding it down. I tell you all, it ain't easy being Keezy. Pretty pleasing. I hear that bay is flat and that ocean is breezy. Oh good Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. Oh good Lord, it ain't easy being Keezy. Thank you, Lord. Have another day. This sure ain't that hard. Hey baby, wanna drive to the end of the world with me? If we leave now, we'd be in mile marker 0, round 2:45. We'll find a spot in the sand where we could lay low until the sun dips in the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah baby, pack our bags, we're headed south to the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys. Yeah, come along with me, 'cause I believe we'll never wanna leave the Florida Keys. Well, we could start at the Hog's Breath, have a rum runner or four, and then across the street to Sloppy Joe's, where we're probably gonna have a few more. Then later on tonight, by the light of the moon, yeah, we could crawl down Duval back to the motel room, where you and I could feel young and have fun just like we did before. Down in the Florida Keys, yeah, come along with me, 'cause I believe we'll never wanna leave the Florida Keys. Down in the Florida Keys, I wanna feel that breeze just blowing through my hair. Got no worries or cares, it makes me feel so free. Down in the Florida Keys, baby, I wanna see that breeze just blowing through your hair. Got no worries or cares, it make you feel so free. Yeah, I believe we'll never wanna leave the Florida Keys.